One of the great things about LinkedIn is the ability to reach and connect people from all over the world. And today, in this short little video, I want to share with you the art of connecting with others. Here's what I love about the magic of LinkedIn. It allows you, the active profile holder, to connect with others in your vast array of connections. Before COVID-19, we often went to a lot of conferences, or we met people at events like the Chamber of Commerce, church, or even a Rotary Club meeting. Here's an example of how I made an online connection with two people that I know and respect, Otis and Scotty. I'm hoping that this short little snippet of how I introduced Scotty to Brent will inspire you to reach out to others. And if you have some success stories, would you please share them with me? Thank you very much.